Hey guys, welcome back to the Abidomash fishing YouTube channel. And today I'm not in the most splendid mood because I'm serious. It's a revenge day. First time I went to the spot that you're gonna see in this video, Carp broke my line. Next time I went back, I was cleaning up, getting all my stuff ready to go. My mom took me there, and a fish took my pole in the water. Carp did. I dived in for it, couldn't get it. So then I had to go home, explain to my dad how I just lost him about $100 of gear, and as you can expect, it wasn't the most great night for me going on from then. But it's about 3 o'clock. My dad's getting home in about 5-10 minutes. We're gonna hit up this spot. We're gonna try to get revenge on the common carp. Welcome back to the Abidomash fishing YouTube channel. And this is my third time coming to this spot. One time, I lost a carp. Second, he's on right here, guys. Woo, this is a monster, baby. This would be a new species if I can get him in. Just keeping pressure. Not gonna muscle him. No!
Close.
Snap the line. Second time, I lost my rod to a carp. Okay guys, so nothing yet today. Just packing up. Got one rod sitting in the water. Oh shit. Oh god. No! My rod is gone to a carp. This time, we're gonna catch a carp. So stay tuned, and hopefully we can land one of these monsters. We see him swimming. Got some corn, and who knows, man. It's time for the revenge. Not letting a carp get away this time. Go ahead, chum up the spot. Perfect. Take about 2 handfuls of corn. A little bit more here. And then get about 3 pieces of corn to fill up my hook. Got a size 8 hook. Anywhere from size 8 to size down to up to size 4 will work. I just like size 8 because I don't know, that's the size I've hooked both my carp on. Three pieces of corn, just like that. Make sure a little bit of hook point's exposed. We're in there. We're gonna crank our drag down super low so our rod doesn't get stolen again. No! I missed him. Oh, as I dropped it in there. Are you kidding me? Oh, guys, I missed one. Okay, guys, so we had no luck down by the dam, so we're gonna move up the bank, as we did now, and we chummed up this spot. Sadly, we're getting panfished out. Try to catch some of these so we can get our bait down there long enough for a carp to come around. Oh, I got one, guys. Oh, this is the, I knew it.
Go.
Wait. That's what keeps stealing our bait right here, guys. That's how I was trying to catch him. Got a
out of the way.
Red breast on the carp rod. It's flopping all over the place.
It's a big one, yeah.
That's a pretty big red breast, yeah. He's lucky we're not doing another panfish catch and cook. So I'm gonna toss him back in right here. Some of these panfish that are stealing our carp bait out of the way, I'm gonna put on a little worm. Not gonna take off the trout magnet jig head. Or I should just be able to drop it down here and catch some of them. Landed a bluegill.
Just tell them we're just
trying to get them
this
out of the
fish
way.
away from-
Yeah, hopefully they'll become hook shy after we catch them. Been here for about an hour and a half. Rods are out. Just waiting for a hit. Sooner or later we'll get one. The type of fisherman I am, I want to fight the fish. A lot of people that you're gonna see, oh, they just want to muscle it in. They want to get the fish to the bank. I'd rather fight a fish for 30 minutes and have the time of my life doing it than using 20-pound braid with 30-pound leader and muscling like a fish like the bank. I got an ultralight rod with 6-pound test and light tackle, just one split shot, size 8 hook. And if they get away, they get away. Oh well, the fish won. But the fun part is beating the fish and finally getting it on the bank and being able to release it and getting the picture. Whew, finally on a carp. That's a carp, dude. That's definitely a carp. Whew. Nice, guys. Finally. Get down there now?
I would sit down and fight them in the water.
Okay. Do I got any? I don't got any.
Phone.
I don't. It's in the GoPro bag, guys. I'm getting in the water.
Let me know if you need more.
He's still running, man. Hey, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm in the water now. Fighting this fish. It's a big one. See that, guys? See that bend? Woo! Got a big carp on, boys. My dad called out the bite. I wasn't even thinking about getting one. Third hookup we've gotten. Hopefully third time's the charm. Lost a pole, reel, a hook. Well, with the pole, 2 rigs. But now, this guy's on there. Just needed the patience. Woo! Not gonna muscle him. Gain on him while he's coming in. You can if you want. He's coming in. Oh, no, he's still fighting. Big? Yeah, I think you should come down. Dad's coming down to net it. It's a fish that's worth getting wet for. Oh, he's right up here, dude.
He's probably gonna make a run when he sees you and me.
Yep, don't. He's a big one, guys. Big carp. Right here. It's coming up. Might make another run.
Don't let him out of the water at all.
Keep him down. Nice carp, guys. Yeah, you gotta get that, dude.
Let him go.
Wait.
Come grab for me.
He's on. It's probably about a 5-pounder. He's tired, dude. You gotta get him now.
Nope.
Unless you want me to net him.
Try to steer him, though. I don't know. Try to steer him to me.
Okay. Guys, he's right here. Pretty big carp. Don't pull my rod like that.
Let him run. Don't get him out of the water like that.
You gotta get that, dude.
Nope.
Gotta let him run again, guys. Oh. Get him. That's all you. That's all you. Nice, man. My first ever common carp.
All right, go ahead up. I'll hand him
It's a nice one.
Beauty. Finally.
Not a monster, but we finally got one. Whew. Gotta get back up on land. Whew, finally. Here, give me the net. There's my dad with the common carp, boys. He's not a monster, probably about 4 pounds, but a beautiful fish. Finally, we're able to get one. So
unhook him.
I'm gonna hook him real fast. This fish is gut hooked, which isn't a big deal. We'll cut the line and this fish will be perfectly fine. It'll be able to rust out the hook, and you just have to remember fish breathe through their gills and not their throat. They're not like humans. They breathe through their gills, not their throat. So if you ever gut hook a fish, make sure you cut the line. Do not just rip it out. That is how you'll kill the fish. Buddy. Okay.
You want to get a picture?
Yeah.
Do you want to go up here?
Or do we want to go over to the rocks? That's easier. Okay, guys, we're going to take this over to an easy place. Look at that, guys. Beautiful common carp. My first ever. That is a new species. Beautiful, beautiful fish, man. So excited we got one after 3 trips here. We gotta take them out here so we can get a good picture and good release. We'll let him sink in the water a little bit. The water going back through his gills. Finally got one. That's not a big one, and that guy would have took my pole in the water. Oh, you're not getting my rod this time. Hold his tail while he sits here. It was a long fight. Pretty long fight.
Hold him. Don't just let him go. Make him fight to get away.
Okay, guys, I'm just holding him here. His gills are moving perfect. Nothing's wrong. He's just tired. That was a hard fought fight. Beautiful common carp. Just sitting right here. Oh, there he goes. It's good to go. Nice. Oh, my first ever one. Perfect. And gotta leave soon, so hopefully we can hook up on one of these carp. And if not, oh well, we caught a pretty big one today, had a pretty good day. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.